Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka placement cell jong ka St. Anthony's College ha ka jingatri lang bat ka hospitality department hinne kasngi ka khat pratrik ulaber arhaja apusan kala Pynlong ya ka mini job fair ha ka Sien ka Nyngkong ha college ka thong jong ka ne ka mini job fair ka long ban beten linti ya ki samla pule ban ya kendu ya ki company ba pher bat ban yo kam yo jam ha ka ni kasngi ki samla pule third year jong ka college ki samla pule na ka MIT University Shillong College bat ki we ki college ba marjan ki lawan ban ya shim bentar lang ha ka ne ka mini job fair ha ka ni kasngi ladan kumbahan rutli ki company ki bawan ban ya kendu ya ki samla pule bat ban batai halor ki kam ki baki don ban Aisha ki samla pule lada ki thrang ban trei lang bat ki ni ki company kini ki hindrutli ki company ki kenthop ya ka Accentuate Academy Jetwings Institute the Matana Bits 24/7.ai bat ka global admissions habakren bakinong tho kubor u vice principal ka St. Anthony's College u Father Joby Joseph ulayathu bakathong na ka college ka Pynlong ya ka ni ka program kade hadin bakiyo i ya shibun ki samla pule hadin bakila pendep ya ki jing pule jongki kimtip shu she e ban let bat kumno ban tre de na ka ni ka daw baka college ka shim ya ka ni ka Saint Jam bakini ki samla kinyo jingtip bat ki yo ru ban tre ha ki ni ki company ulo ongru baka college ka persyang banwan ra ya kini ki company khnang baki samla pule kinyo ya kalat ha ka yo kam yo jam bat ru bakin play ya ka jingkhang na ka benta jongki bat kinyo banya chakhamat shu o vice principal ka St. Anthony's College ula bin rap da ka baong ba man la ka snem ki company ki wan shaka college banya kendu ya ki samla bat kumbalong minta ka St. Anthony's College ka de ka way na ki college ki ba pau bha ha ka nong ba Shillong.
This was organized by the Placement Cell of St. Anthony's College in collaboration with the Hospitality Department. We can say it as an officially the first one that we had for our students. I heard that we had over 6 companies that came from in and around Shillong and some from Guwahati, especially in the hospitality and the wellness. And we had students coming from St. Anthony's College, of course, mostly the third years, the final year students, and also from other neighboring institutes like MIT University, Shillong College, and other institutes. Yes, officially this was one of the first of its kind, and we plan to make maybe a little more larger, bigger scale. We realize mostly our students, in a way, not that they lack opportunities, but very often they do not know where exactly to go and not when they finish their graduation, if they're looking at let's say opportunities or departments where they can work. So this was something that the placement cell in collaboration with these departments brought these companies as a job fair to the campus so that they are able to find it at their own doorstep where they can find opportunities and ways. And I hope students use it well. But in a way, we are not the best happy because somehow we don't find in our, this is a culture that we have, because I look after the placement cell, somehow that readiness and exploration of students to find ways is a little lacking. So this is something that we've been trying to push through our students, and I hope it picks up. It has improved compared to the previous times. This is the process exactly is not part of the curriculum of NAP, but the courses in NAP will of course equip them into diverse fields of employment and skills. So I'm sure that will find them better equipped for, let's say, selections, and there are areas, vocational skills or employable skills that they will train within because it's part of the curriculum. But the job fair per se is not part of the NAP, that's part of the college that otherwise with the placement cell that we aim so that our students are ready for the employment market. Every year we have quite a big number, but being one of the top colleges in the city and the companies drop in, it could be better count and better number here. One problem is when the rest of the India is, let's say, in a selection mode, our systems go into examination time. So that is where we lack when, let's say, other companies, be it in Delhi or down south, when they go for selection, most of us are into systems of education and exams and studies. So our students sometimes lack, and they once they are into examination, nothing else is their concern, that alone. So something holding like this, maybe in a time in their own place, a time matching to them, it will be better. So that we thought. I think the placement cell with Ma'am Nafisa and Ripa, who are looking after the hospitality department, they are doing a wonderful work. In fact, we are planning it to make it a larger scale. We had talked with the Department of government department of this, so that we can take it maybe to a higher scale. And government, in fact, assured us that they will collaborate to get more companies to come in and maybe have it in a larger scale.